Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Agarwal and today I will be presenting my project Resume Builder. This is the home page of the web application. As we scroll down, this is the about page where I have explained the functionalities of our website. Then we have the contact us page. If the user has any query related to the sign up, the login or any other thing, then the user can directly contact the admin through this contact us page. Then the user needs to enter the name, the email ID, the phone number and the message. And as the user clicks on the submit button, a mail will be sent to the user as well as to the admin. So the user will receive this mail and the admin will receive the mail with the query, the phone number of the user and the mail ID. Below this we have the footer. So the next the user can sign up or can log in into the account. So first we'll create the account. Now as the user will create the account, if the username has already been taken, then it will show us the error. And even if the email ID is already registered, it will show us the error. So now the email ID is already registered, so it will show us the error that email ID is already registered. And if the password and the confirmed password doesn't match, again it will show us the error. Now we'll sign up into the account. So the account has been successfully created. Now the user has two ways to log in. Either the user can log in directly through the Google account or can enter the username or the password that he has entered during the sign up. So as we have already signed up, so we'll use the same credentials here. So now the user has successfully logged in. This is the home page after logging in. So we don't have the about us page. We have the contact us page and the social media account links. Now in the nav bar, we don't have the about link. We have add resume and view resume link. And instead of sign up and log in, we have the log out link here. So if we directly go to view resumes, as no resume has been created for this particular account, we will be shown this. And we can create resume from here, or we can go to add resume and create the resume. Now the user ID has been automatically taken from your login credentials. Now we have to add the name, the objective, the address, the phone number, the email ID. Other all things are not necessary. They are the optional things, the GitHub profile link, the LinkedIn profile link, the university name. We have two university name. It might be for the bachelor and masters. Then we have the intermediate school. Then we have the high school. I have given the option for 5 jobs. Then I have given the option for 5 projects. The user can enter as much details as he or she wants to. Then he can enter the skills, all the technical skills that he or she has. The languages that the user knows. He can enter the area of interest, the extracurricular activities. Now as the user will submit the form, the resume will be created and will be shown in the view resume link. Now if we go to the view resume, we can see that the resume has been created. Now we can view the resume from here. This was the resume that was created by us. So the user can add as many resumes as he or she wants to add. All will be shown in the view resume list. Next, we'll log out from this account. I have logged in through my account now. I'll show you the resume, how it will be presented. So these were the two resumes that were added by me beforehand. So we'll see the first one resume. This is the way how the resume will look after we have added all the details into it. As we click on the logout, the user has successfully logged out. So this was the project that was created by me. Thank you so much.